don't think Scott's seeing this.
Yeah, he's talking to the cop.
Mixes those houses. Those house people probably don't know.
The poor horses.
It is touching. It's touching.
It is! Oh my gosh!
Oh, look! Look! It's hidden dirt! Oh, no, those houses.
Now it's going back up.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! And I freaking... Oh my god!
That house is gonna get...
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't think...
Oh, you can see the pieces of the barn.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that looked like it hit Kenny's. Now it's going by Monsanto's.
Joni's is it?
Oh no, I can't do that. It goes right behind it.
It's hitting, it's on ground.
Yeah, it's on ground out by Monsanto's now.
I don't think this is gonna hold. If it ever